Hey everyone, it's G here. It's Gayon here in Cali. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my daily business. Health tip. So today is Wednesday, March 21st. So today's health tip I'll be talking about 3 ways to drink baking soda for better health. I'm getting this from Mike Geary. He is a nutritional expert that I follow. Okay. So let's get into this topic. And the article is in my Healthy You page. You can go there and get the article yourself. The link to the Healthy You page right below the description of this video. So let's talk about baking soda. And he gives 3 recipes, 3 different ways you can drink baking soda. Okay, and then we're gonna learn why we should and what are the health benefits of baking soda. Okay, so many of you may have been using baking soda around your home for years without even knowing what it is. We did a little digging to uncover the mystery. It turns out that sodium bicarbonate is a chemical salt that in its natural form is the mineral nacolite. Baking soda can react as both an acid and a base, although in an aqueous solution it is a bit on the alkaline side. Pure nacolite is found in abundance in the Green River Basin, which cuts through several states in the central part of our country. Sodium bicarbonate helps to regulate pH and keep it steady, a process known as buffering. It keeps substances from being too acid or too alkaline. Its ability to neutralize the pH of any solution it comes in contact with makes it a highly effective for so many ways. Okay, so many things. So now you know about all the amazing ways you can use baking soda around your home. So these are various ways we currently use baking soda, right? Just to name a few here. Cleaning out your drains, ridding your hair of buildup, polishing silver, septic care, making toothpaste, making deodorant, cleaning brushes and combs, refreshing your refrigerator. So that's to give you an idea how we currently use baking soda in our homes, right? But did you know that drinking baking soda can be very healthy for you? Yes, it's true. Drinking something as simple as baking soda can drastically improve your health. What is even more amazing is that when you combine baking soda with other powerful ingredients, the healing powers are supercharged. The only caution we have is that you stick to an aluminum-free brand of baking soda whenever possible. So when you buy your baking soda in the store, make sure it says aluminum-free, okay? So here are 3 of our favorite healthy baking soda tonics. So he's giving you 3 different ways that you can drink your baking soda. Number 1, ultimate energy booster and electrolyte replacer. Do you know that nagging, dragging feeling you get when you're about halfway through your 5 run or part way through that sprint class? The feeling like you can't push your body or one bit more? Well, we have a great news for you. This ultimate energy booster tonic will not only help motivate you to get moving, it will also help you to go harder and longer no matter what physical activity you're doing. This is because strenuous exercises leads to a buildup of lactic acid, which can cause muscle pain and fatigue. Baking soda has been found to boost performance in athletes due to its ability to neutralize lactic acid buildup. So here's the ingredients. So one way you can drink it. Ingredients: a half a spoon of unprocessed sea salt, a fourth teaspoon of baking soda, 7 cups of coconut water, a half cup of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of raw honey. Instructions: heat the coconut water on low and mix in baking soda until it is dissolved. Add other ingredients and pour mixtures into a glass jar. Shake well before use. This will keep for a week in the refrigerator. So there you go. You can make your drink to help you boost your energies. If you're feeling slacking throughout the day, you feel like your energy has been sucked out of you, this is a great way to get to boost your energy using baking soda. Again, the article is on the Healthy You page. You guys can go there, grab the article, and get the ingredients and instructions. So coconut water, all the coconut water has a deceptive light consistency. It has higher levels of materials such as iron, magnesium, manganese, calcium, and zinc than many fruits, including the famously healthy orange. Additionally, coconut water has high amounts of B vitamins such as niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, and pyridoxine. One of the best benefits of coconut water is that it is extremely high in potassium. As your body sweats during exercise or vigorous physical activity, your level of potassium drops. Coconut water has approximately 250 milligrams of potassium and 105 milligrams of sodium in every 100 millimeter serving. Raw honey, one of the substantial benefits of choosing raw organic honey from your area is that it contains immune stimulating properties from the area where the bees collect pollen. This means that it can actually help to desensitize you to local allergens, potentially lessening your allergy symptoms. So if you suffer with allergies, there you go. Raw honey can help. Again, it has to be organic, 100% raw honey. Okay. The supercharged and acid reflux reliever. Because acid reflux typically results from having too little acid in your stomach, you can help improve this by making 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a 6 to 8 ounce glass of water. Adding a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to this mixture will further help neutralize your internal fire. Be prepared, however, this mixture will foam, so wait for it to slow down before you drink it. So another way to supercharge your acid reflux reliever. So if you have acid reflux, is the way you can relieve it. So great little recipe here. Okay. So and then the last way you can drink your baking soda is green tea and baking soda metabolism booster. So this is going to help to boost your metabolism. So if you're trying to lose weight, we need to boost your metabolism. So a recent study out of Penn State's College of Agricultural Sciences found that drinking green tea regularly can boost the effects of exercise to aid weight loss efforts. The study was conducted on mice that were fed a diet with high amounts of fat, exercised regularly, and given green tea extract. The mice showed an average body mass reduction of 27.1% and an average abdominal mass reduction of 36.6%. Okay, so this is the great thing about green tea. There are 3 components in green tea that are thought to help promote weight loss: catechins, theanine, and caffeine. These substances work together to block enzymes that are responsible for fat storage in the body. So if you can drink green tea more regularly, guys, it'll help you with your weight loss. When you combine the super metabolizing powers of green tea with baking soda, you rev up your fat burning power while encouraging optimal pH in the body. This is necessary for balance, okay? A pH factor that is not optional will cause excess acid to be stored in fat cells. An acidic person can't burn fat well, because doing so would release the acid that is stored in body fat. And this would throw the blood pH out of whack. If your pH is not balanced, you may also feel fatigue and ill. Choose organic green tea and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to an 8 ounce cup before drinking. Enjoy daily. So if you add just a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to your green tea, this is another way you can drink green tea. You can drink this regularly to get that super effect. So you can boost the metabolism, and that's going to help you get rid of fat. It's going to help you with your if you're trying to lose weight. It's going to help you with fat loss. Okay, so green tea mixed with baking soda, very super metabolic booster right there. Okay, so just gave you 3 ways you can add baking soda, drink baking soda in your diet. So again, one is for energy booster, one is for acid, one is a great the green tea with the apple cider vinegar. That'll help with acid reflux reliever. So if you have acid reflux, that'll help relieve the acid reflux. And then last one is green tea with baking soda to boost your metabolism. So those are 3 ways you can add. You can drink baking soda to your in your diet. And again, as stated here, it helps, the baking soda, it helps to balance your pH, right? So I just wanted to share this article. Again, you want to make sure you're using the aluminum-free baking soda. So when you go buy a baking soda, make sure it says aluminum-free. That's very, very important, okay? So not only do you use baking soda for all these ways in your home, but you can also drink it to get those health benefits as well. Anyway, so I read that. I thought this was a very interesting article to share with you guys. I've never thought about drinking baking soda before ever. so with that being said, he gave us 3 different ways we can drink it. So I'm certainly gonna try one of these and let you guys know what my experience of this. So again, the recipes are very, very simple recipes here. So the baking soda with coconut water, that sounds appealing, so I'm definitely going to try that. The green tea, I'm definitely going to try for metabolic booster. Definitely going to try the green tea with the baking soda and see how that does. Okay, anyways guys, that's my tip for today. Now you got some ways you can add some baking soda into your diet and look at the health benefits. So you definitely want to try some of these recipes and let me know what your thoughts are offer feedback, that would be awesome. Woohoo! Anyway, this is G signing off, guys. That's my health tip for today. Have a wonderful day. Guys, enjoy your Wednesday. Make this your best day ever. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. And see you guys in my next video, my next health tip. Have a wonderful day, guys.